Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to draft this exaggerated hip skirt. So let's get into the video. I'm going to come down by 1 inch for my starting line. You can use half an inch. My skirt is going to have 2 inch for waistband. You can decide to use 1.5. You can decide to use 1. I'm using 2 for this tutorial. So I'm going to take out 2 inch from the tape measure like you see and measure my waist to hip, which is 11 inches. From that same 2 inch mark, I'm going to measure the length of the skirt. For purpose of the tutorial, I'm using 16. You can decide to use 15, 14, any length of your choice. And then I'm going to come down by 1 inch for my hemming allowance. Now let's label the lines. That's my hip line. That's the skirt length. And that's the hemming line. Right, now let's put our body measurement. On the waistline, you're going to put your waist divided by 4. On the hip line, you're going to put your hip divided by 4. So whatever measurement you have on the hip line, you're going to repeat the same on the dress length. And then you're going to connect the lines with your curve. Because of the exaggerated hip, I'm going to add 1.5 inches on the hip line. You can make yours 2, you can make yours 3. I'm using 1.5. So I'm going to do the same on the dress length, on the skirt length, and going to connect it, maintain the same waist measurement and connect it to the new hip line. Right, now you can add your sewing allowance. I'm using 1 inch. You decide to use 1.5 to, I'm using 1 inch. So I'm marking 1 inch all across. Okay, now you can cut out your pattern. So after cutting, this is what our pattern is looking like. Remember that this skirt has no darts. And so for the back pattern, you're going to repeat the same thing, just that you leave about 1 inch or 1.5 inch for your zipper. And that is how you create the exaggerated hip skirt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until the next one, see you. Bye. Now I'm going to cut it out.